Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something a little different but super important to talk about. If you drive a BMW or you're thinking about buying one, you need to hear this. I've received 6 recall letters for my BMW, and let me tell you, dealing with it's been a nightmare. So let's start with the beginning. Over the past year or so, I've received not one, not two, but 6 recall letters from BMW. Every time I saw one in the mail, it was like, okay, here we go again. The letters all sound serious. They mention safety issues, potential faults, urgent repairs, basically stuff that you wouldn't want to ignore if you care about your car and your own safety. Um, Naturally, I wanted to get them sorted ASAP. That's where the real problems begin. The first thing I did, I was going online like any normal person in 2022, especially working in an area where the phone signal was almost close to none. Went to the official BMW website, filled out the forms, and tried to book a service date on multiple dealerships. So not just one. I've tried one close to my work. I've tried one close to my house. I've tried different ones. Maybe I'll find a date, or they have a gap to suit my needs. Um, you think that with all their tech they make it easy, right? Nope. Um, no one replied. Not even one email, not a confirmation, not even an auto response saying we'll get back to you. I waited, I followed up, still nothing. I even tried to contact Forms and BMW app, same results, crickets, like no answers whatsoever. This went for months. Imagine getting multiple recall letters, and that sounds serious, and then not being able to do anything about because the system is broken. Eventually, I gave up on the online system completely. The only way of I could get any real help was to go to the dealership in person. I literally had to take time out of my day, drive down there, wait to speak with someone, and only then I was able to book the recall service. Let that sink in. In 2025, one of the biggest car companies in the world still can't handle recalls through their own online system. Now, I'm sharing this not just to rant, but because this is a serious issue. I don't think it's specifically the BMW. I think the dealerships don't want to get involved in all these recalls because they are not making any money. So recalls usually involves your brakes, airbags, fuel systems, fire risks. Mine was about airbags, the driver airbag, and the intercooler, right? So these are the um, recalls. The earliest one is from 17th of September 2024, then followed up by 3rd of December 2024, and I had another four for this year, which I'm not gonna show you. But they literally send this to us. The BMW sent it to us, and the dealers didn't follow the right procedure. So you contact them through their webpage, through the BMW webpage. You try to book a day where you can send the car when you have time to take the car to the dealership, and they will confirm, or You can request through their web page to give them a call back, to give you a call back or email you. But none of this happened. So literally, I've been forced to go straight to them, and my issue has been resolved in about 10 minutes. The booking, the car now is with BMW to replace the parts on the recalls. Hopefully, they will change the system, stuff that could actually put your life in danger. And if their response system is this broken, that means a lot of BMW drivers out there might be driving unsafe cars without even knowing, or without being able to fix it in time. That's unacceptable for a premium brand, or for any car manufacturer. Here's what I think BMW needs to fix immediately. Their online system needs to work. No excuses. People should be able to book a recall appointment online, just like you can do literally anything else online. They need actual customer service follow-up, not silence, not bots, real people. And they need to simplify the process. If you're sending 6 letters, make it easy to respond to just one of them. Honestly, recall are part of the car world. That's fine, but the way they're being handled, that's the real problem. If you're a BMW owner and you've had the same experience, let me know in the comments. I want to hear your story. And if you're watching this and thinking about buying a BMW, just be aware of what you might have to deal with if something goes wrong. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more real world car talk, share this with anyone you know who drives a BMW. Let's make some noise, so maybe, just maybe, BMW will listen. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.